Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern single-story house with a sleek design, featuring a black metal roof and white exterior walls, large windows framed in black, and a symmetrical facade. The house is set on a meticulously landscaped lawn with vibrant green grass and neatly arranged concrete stepping stones leading to a wooden deck. The deck has a contemporary outdoor seating area with a small table, surrounded by lush planters and potted greenery. In the background, tall evergreen trees provide a natural border, while colorful autumn leaves hint at the changing season. Soft afternoon sunlight casts gentle shadows, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A cozy modern cabin nestled in a serene winter landscape, showcasing a sleek black metal roof and white horizontal siding. The large glass windows and doors reflect a warm, inviting glow from the interiors, creating a contrast against the snowy surroundings. The deck is made of natural wood, beautifully weathered, featuring black outdoor chairs arranged around a small table. A decorative pine tree stands nearby, adding a touch of festive charm. Surrounding the cabin are tall, bare trees lightly dusted with snow, and rocky outcrops enhancing the rustic feel. A serene lakeside cabin with a modern design, featuring a sleek black metal roof and white vertical siding. The cabin sits gracefully on a wooden deck that extends over calm waters, surrounded by smooth, large rocks. In the background, lush green trees and shrubs add a vibrant touch, reflecting the colors of early autumn. The scene captures a cozy outdoor lounge area with comfortable seating, inviting relaxation. The sky is a soft gray, suggesting an overcast day, adding to the tranquil atmosphere. Overall, the composition exudes a blend of modern architecture and natural beauty, showcasing the harmony between the built environment and the surrounding wilderness. A modern cabin in a serene forest setting, showcasing a combination of rustic charm and contemporary design. The house features a sleek black metal roof and crisp white wooden siding, with large windows that let in natural light. The porch, made of warm wooden planks, is adorned with comfortable seating, including black rocking chairs and small potted plants. Surrounding the cabin are vibrant autumn trees showcasing a mix of orange, yellow, and green foliage, creating a harmonious color palette. The scene emits a cozy yet elegant atmosphere, ideal for relaxation in nature. A picturesque, cozy cottage surrounded by a vibrant garden bursting with colorful flowers, capturing a serene, inviting essence. The house features rustic wooden exterior with a steeply pitched roof and large windows, showcasing a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The setting is a lush green landscape punctuated by a variety of blooming flowers in shades of yellow, white, and orange, creating a cheerful contrast against the earthy tones of the cottage. The scene is set under a moody, overcast sky, casting soft, diffused light that enhances the tranquil vibe. A serene modern cabin nestled among tall evergreen trees, capturing the essence of cozy living. The architectural style features a peaked roof and large windows that emit a warm glow from the interior. The setting is a tranquil forest clearing, illuminated by soft, golden light from the sunset filtering through the trees. The color palette includes muted earth tones like soft whites, deep greens, and warm browns, with splashes of vibrant yellow from the foliage. In the foreground, a nicely arranged stone patio holds a stylish outdoor seating arrangement, with a white sofa adorned with patterned cushions, a wooden coffee table with a glowing fire pit, and a small garden featuring lush greenery. A modern, minimalist house with a sleek black metal roof, seamlessly integrating into a lush green landscape. The structure features large glass sliding doors that open onto a spacious wooden deck. A cozy outdoor seating area is positioned on the deck, furnished with neutral-colored cushions and contemporary black side tables. A stone path leads to the house, bordered by carefully placed shrubs and small ornamental plants. The background showcases a mix of tall trees, creating a serene environment. The scene captures the essence of modern architecture with an emphasis on clean lines, open spaces, and a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor living. A modern, stylish house featuring a sleek black metal roof and white vertical siding, surrounded by lush greenery and trees. The porch boasts a wooden deck with modern outdoor furniture, including a small table and chairs, accented by potted plants. The scene is bathed in natural light, with large glass windows reflecting the surrounding foliage. The pathway is lined with smooth stones, leading to an inviting entryway. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, showcasing a serene residential setting with vibrant green hues and warm wood tones. A cozy modern house with a sleek black metal roof, situated in a tranquil setting surrounded by snow-covered landscape and sparse trees. The house features large glass windows that reflect the warm golden hues of a sunset, casting a soft glow on the wooden deck in front. On the deck, a rustic wooden dining table is elegantly set for an evening meal, accompanied by stylish outdoor seating. The scene emphasizes earthy tones, with contrasting colors of white snow and warm wood accents, creating an inviting atmosphere. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing intricate details such as the texture of the snow, the smoothness of the wooden surfaces, and the delicate shadows cast by the surrounding trees. A cozy, modern cabin nestled in a vibrant forest during early autumn, showcasing a blend of contemporary and rustic architecture. The cabin features a sleek black metal roof and white wooden siding, contrasting beautifully with the colorful foliage surrounding it. Large windows reflect the warm autumn colors of orange, yellow, and green, inviting a sense of warmth and tranquility. The wooden deck extends out, with minimalist outdoor furniture, 2 comfortable chairs and a small table, arranged invitingly, alongside smooth stones for a natural touch. Cozy modern living room featuring a large stone fireplace as the focal point, adorned with a wooden mantel. The space has expansive windows revealing a serene forest view, allowing natural light to flood in. Soft, warm tones dominate the decor, with rich leather sofas in earthy shades and a rustic wooden coffee table at the center, embellished with a decorative basket. A stylish area rug adds texture, while the walls are painted in light neutral colors. The scene conveys a warm, inviting atmosphere, blending modern elegance with rustic charm, ideal for relaxation and gatherings. A cozy, modern living room scene with an open layout featuring a stylish mix of dark cabinetry and light wooden accents. The room is illuminated by soft, warm lighting from recessed ceiling fixtures and a stone fireplace, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Large floor-to-ceiling windows showcase a lush green garden outside, with autumn foliage adding vibrant hues of orange and yellow.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.